Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics class. My name is Chizzy. Today, we are going to look at approximation stroke rounding of numbers. Look at what we have here. Approximate this number 12.4376. We are going to approximate this number to nearest whole number, one decimal place, two decimal places, and three decimal places. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first one we are going to look at, we are going to correct this number to the nearest whole number. The first one is 12.4376. Look at what we have here. Remember I told you in our previous class, this is our whole number, we have our decimal point, and this is our fractional part. We look at the number that is following 12. Is it up to 5 and above? No, it's not up to 5 and above. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 remain the same. From 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. That means you add 1. So our 4 is not up to 5, so it remains the same. So when we round 12 to the nearest whole number, it means the same thing, 12. Number 2, we have 12.4376. Correct to one decimal place. Correct to one decimal place. How do we correct to one decimal place? Look at this number. We are going to count from decimal point to 1. That is one decimal place. We are going to start from here and count 1. Are you following me, guys? We start from here and count 1. One decimal place, 1. And we check the number following, 4, is not up to 4, so it remains the same. What we have here is 12.4. Then number 3, we have 12.4376. Correct to 2 decimal places. Correct to 2 decimal places. So what we are going to do, we'll start again from our decimal point. We are going to count 2 decimal places. Start from our decimal point, count 1 and 2. The next number following is 7, is up to 5. Add it up here, it becomes 4. What we have here is 12.44. Because this number is up to, we add it here, it becomes 4. So we have 12.44. Then the last number is 12.4376. And we have correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimal places. So we are going to count 3 decimal places. Are you ready? Okay, let's count. From our decimal point here, we count 1, 2, and 3. The next number following is 6, is up to 5. So we add it up here and add 1 here. It becomes 12.438. It becomes 12.438. Alright, approximate this number 78.5612. Correct to the nearest whole number. That's number 1. Correct to 1 decimal place. Correct to 2 decimal places. And correct to 3 decimal places. I want to see it in the comment section. I believe you understand my lesson. Thank you for joining me. Please, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, follow my Facebook page for more interesting topics. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.